Hosta Whirlwind, a shade-loving beauty for your garden. As a gardener with a passion for shade-loving plants, the Hosta Whirlwind has always held a special place in my heart. Its captivating foliage and adaptability make it a true standout. Let's delve into some of the most frequently asked questions about this remarkable Hosta variety. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is Hosta Whirlwind? Hosta Whirlwind, also known as plantain lily, is a perennial with captivating variegated foliage. It forms a dense, medium-sized mound with unique, twisted, and pointed leaves. The color play is truly mesmerizing. Spring unfolds with creamy white to lime green leaves boasting a broad, dark green margin. As summer arrives, the center transforms into a light green, creating a stunning contrast. How big does Hosta Whirlwind get? At maturity, Hosta Whirlwind forms a beautiful mound reaching 18 to 20 inches in height and spreading up to 40 inches wide. Its compact size makes it a versatile addition to various garden landscapes. Where should I plant Hosta Whirlwind? Unlike many sun-loving flowers, Hosta Whirlwind thrives in shade. It prefers bright shade to full shade, making it the perfect solution for those shady corners in your garden. The key is to provide moist, well-drained soil rich in humus. While it tolerates average to dry soils, consistent moisture will truly bring out its best. Is Hosta Whirlwind easy to care for? Absolutely. Hosta Whirlwind is a low-maintenance plant that thrives with minimal fuss. Here are some key care tips. Watering. Maintain consistently moist soil, especially during hot summer months. Feeding. Apply a balanced fertilizer once in spring for optimal growth. Light. As mentioned before, bright shade to full shade is ideal. Pruning. Remove spent flower stalks after blooming to encourage the plant's energy towards foliage growth. Discolored leaves can be trimmed back to the ground for a tidier appearance. Does Hosta Whirlwind have any pests or diseases? The biggest threat to Hosta Whirlwind comes from slugs and snails, who find their tender leaves irresistible. Regularly handpick these unwelcome guests or use organic deterrents like crushed eggshells or coffee grounds. How can I propagate Hosta Whirlwind? Propagation is a breeze with Hosta Whirlwind. The best time to divide the plant is in early spring or late summer. Carefully dig up the mature plant and use a sharp knife to divide it into sections, ensuring each section has healthy roots and buds. Replant the divisions in your desired locations and water them thoroughly. What are some good companion plants for Hosta Whirlwind? Since Hosta Whirlwind thrives in shade, pairing it with other shade-loving plants creates a harmonious and visually captivating garden bed. Here are some excellent options. Ferns. Their delicate fronds provide a lovely contrast to the bold foliage of Hosta Whirlwind. Heucheras. Coral bells. The vibrant foliage of heucheras adds a pop of color and complements the cool tones of the Hosta. Astilbes. Their feathery plumes of flowers in pink, white, or lavender create a delightful textural contrast. Brunnera macrophylla, Siberian bugloss. The heart-shaped leaves and stunning blue flowers of Brunnera make a perfect companion. How does Hosta Whirlwind compare to Hosta francea? Both Hosta Whirlwind and Hosta francea are stunning shade-loving perennials, but they offer distinct characteristics. Here's a quick comparison. Size. Hosta Whirlwind is a medium-sized variety, reaching 18 to 20 inches tall, while Hosta francea is a larger option, growing up to 24 to 30 inches tall. Foliage. Hosta Whirlwind boasts creamy white to lime green centers with dark green margins. Hosta francea features blue-green leaves with a creamy white variegation. Sun tolerance. Both prefer shade, but Hosta francea can tolerate a bit more sun exposure than Hosta Whirlwind. Ultimately, the choice between these two Hosta varieties depends on your personal preference and the specific needs of your garden. By incorporating Hosta Whirlwind into your landscape, you'll add a touch of elegance and captivating foliage to your shady haven. With its easygoing nature and stunning visual appeal, this Hosta variety is sure to become a cherished addition to your garden for years to come.